So the last part of this vegetable Parmentier from Dominique Crenn is the vegetables having all been cooked separately and then combined together, put in a greased pan. Now you take your mashed potato and you create a cover. The mashed potatoes, pretty straightforward. 2/3 of a cup of milk, 8 tablespoons of butter, lots of butter. And the idea here is to make this cover that will hold in all of that great vegetable flavor as it bakes for 25 minutes. Now, I have more potato than I need, but I also think it's kind of cool to really lay it on. And then the final aspect of it, which I'll start to do now so I don't bore you to tears, is to take Comté cheese and go ahead and shred it right on top. And the idea here is you're creating this good cheesy topping that will ultimately turn brown in the oven, at least that's the plan, and give it a beautiful look. Let's blah, 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 blah.